In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Binance account to OpenClaw bot using an API key. We'll go through the full setup process in a simple and careful way, so you can connect everything correctly and avoid common mistakes. This process mainly involves creating an API key inside Binance, giving it the right permissions, and then adding those credentials to OpenClaw bot. To begin, log into your Binance account. Once you're inside, go to your account area and open API management. This is the section where Binance lets you create and manage API connections for third-party tools like trading bots. When you create a new API key, you're basically generating a secure bridge that allows OpenClaw bot to communicate with your Binance account without needing your actual login details. Create a new API key and complete any verification steps Binance asks for. Depending on your account security settings, this may include email confirmation or two-factor authentication. After the key is created, Binance will show you both an API key and a secret key. Make sure you copy them carefully and store them securely. The secret key is especially important because Binance usually only shows it once. If you lose it, you may need to create a brand new API key. Before moving on, check the API permissions. You'll want to enable reading access and spot trading access. Reading permission allows the bot to view account information, while spot trading permission allows it to place trades on your behalf. It's a good idea to only enable the permissions you actually need, since that helps keep your account more secure. Once your Binance API key is ready, open OpenClaw bot and go to the exchange settings section. In that area, select Binance as your exchange. This tells the bot which platform you want to connect and ensures the credentials are applied to the correct exchange. Now paste your API key and secret key into the appropriate fields. Take your time here and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the text, since even a small formatting issue can cause the connection to fail. After that, click Connect or Save, depending on what your version of OpenClaw bot shows. At this point, the bot should attempt to verify the connection with Binance. If everything was entered correctly and the permissions are enabled, your account should connect successfully. If it doesn't connect right away, double check the key, the secret, and the enabled permissions in Binance, and that's it. You've now linked Binance to OpenClaw bot and completed the setup process.